Welcome to another video from the Healthy by Nature channel. Here you will find tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally. For that, just sign up. It won't cost more than a few seconds only. Also activate bell and you will be notified whenever we release a video. Leave your like and share with more people, so everyone will have access to more knowledge. Hello. In this video we will talk about a spice that has been deeply appreciated and used for thousands of years. As early as 2000 BC, it was a valuable commodity in the Middle East. The cinnamon. Deeply aromatic and rich in flavonoids, such as eugenol, hesperidin, and linalool, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it helps prevent cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and diabetes. Cinnamon, scientifically known as Cinnamomum, can be found in supermarkets, fairs, or natural product stores, in the form of powder, stick or bark, being prodigiously used to give a sweet flavor to sweet and savory preparations, in addition to being consumed in the preparation of teas. Because it contains great amounts of cinnamaldehyde, a compound that promotes increased metabolism and improves concentration, cinnamon also helps improve physical and mental disposition, in addition to stimulating the burning of body fat, facilitating weight loss. Find out now the benefits of cinnamon and why this food should be consumed regularly. 1. Diabetes. Several scientific studies indicate that cinnamon is good for diabetics because it helps increase insulin levels. This hormone is the regulator of blood sugar levels. In addition to benefiting insulin sensitivity, cinnamon is prominent for shortening blood sugar concentrations, i.e., blood glucose. In this way, it reduces the amount of glucose that enters the bloodstream after a meal by intervening in digestive enzymes. Thus, digestion occurs more gradually, releasing sugar slowly. Furthermore, cinnamon contains substances that can act on cells, imitating insulin. When this happens, the absorption of glucose by cells increases. The effective dose is approximately 1 to 6 grams of cinnamon per day, about 0.5 to 2 teaspoons. 2. Weight loss. Among the benefits of cinnamon is its thermogenic and metabolic effects. But what does this property mean? The spice helps promote energy expenditure and fat oxidation and, therefore, promotes weight loss. This occurs because the ingredient activates proteins that work to mobilize adipose tissue to be used by the body to generate energy. Furthermore, cinnamon is good for those who want to lose weight because it helps reduce the accumulation of body fat. Furthermore, it is rich in fiber, increasing the feeling of satiety, reducing hunger, and promoting the weight loss process. A tip for anyone who wants to increase their cinnamon consumption is to enjoy it together with fruits. Banana and pineapple baked with cinnamon powder, in addition to apple and pear cooked and seasoned with the spice, are healthy, sugar-free dessert and snack options. Cinnamon sticks are ideal for preparing teas and flavored waters, which also help in the weight loss process. 3. Ease of cognition. Cinnamon is also made up of phytochemicals and they contribute to increasing the brain's ability to use glucose. One of the benefits of cinnamon for the health of the body as a whole is that its antioxidant properties prevent damage caused by free radicals to the cells of the central nervous system. This reduces oxidative stress and improves learning and memory levels, thus being able to provide protection against Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's disease. 4. Heart health. Other components of cinnamon, such as cinnamaldehyde and cinnamic acid, act as heart protectors thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to generate nitric oxide. This substance causes the arteries to relax and, therefore, the blood flows more easily. Cinnamon is also good because it helps inhibit calcium channels which, together with nitric oxide, keeps blood pressure low. 5. Fights infections. Cinnamaldehyde is one of the main active components of the spice and helps treat infections caused by bacteria or fungi. The antimicrobial effects are among the benefits of cinnamon. Food helps prevent cavities and, consequently, reduce bad breath. 6. Antioxidant property. Scientific research indicates that the spice has high antioxidant activity because it has phenolics and flavonoids, such as cinnamaldehyde and eugenol, in its composition. These components play a fundamental role in eliminating free radicals, truncating their damage and preventing fat oxidation. Furthermore, thanks to its antioxidant potential, cinnamon can help delay premature aging and helps prevent chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, cancer, infertility, and neurological disorders. 7. Amends sexual health. Cinnamon is considered an aphrodisiac, as it has vasoactive, vasculogenic, and antioxidant properties, promoting the activation of blood circulation. In addition to improving blood circulation, including in the genitals, cinnamon increases sensitivity and pleasure. That is why it is considered an aphrodisiac food and has been widely used by those who need to increase sexual desire. When consumed by men, it can also help in the treatment of erectile dysfunction and sexual impotence. 8. Change the mood. Cinnamon can help improve mood, as it can have an antidepressant effect by inhibiting the inflammatory process in the brain, promoting, as a consequence, an increase in serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter responsible for regulating mood, increasing happiness and feeling of well-being. 9. Prevent cancer. Due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, cinnamon has colossal potential in both the prevention and treatment of cancer, as it could act on different metabolic pathways that favor the death of cancer cells. However, more studies on humans are still required to prove the potential effects of cinnamon in fighting cancer. 10. Helps fight cholesterol. Once again, the benefit is due to the antioxidant property of cinnamon. According to one study, cinnamon reduces the concentrations of total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. And more. HDL cholesterol, considered good, remains stable or may even increase. Therefore, consuming this spice helps to improve the lipid profile, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. 11. Helps with menstruation. It has already been identified that the consumption of cinnamon can cause muscle contractions, including in the pelvic region. This helps to promote greater menstrual flow and, consequently, a decrease in the cycle. One study evaluated adolescents who took capsules containing 420 milligrams of cinnamon 3 times a day during their menstrual period. The researchers visually observed that they experienced significantly less menstrual cramps, nausea, vomiting and bleeding during the first 72 hours of the cycle compared to the group taking a placebo. And you know what is better? There were no side effects, showing it to be a safe and effective treatment for dysmenorrhea in young women. 12. Prevents neurodegenerative diseases. Cinnamaldehyde and other compounds present in cinnamon are capable of inhibiting a protein in the brain that, when accumulated, is associated with Alzheimer's. Additionally, another study found that cinnamon helps support neurons, normalize neurotransmitter concentrations, and improve motor function in rats with Parkinson's disease. In the video description and in the first pinned comment, we will leave links with materials containing tea and healthy eating recipes so that you have access to more information on how to enjoy a healthier life naturally. In general, the use of cinnamon in sparks is considered safe, with up to 6 grams per day being recommended for a period of up to 6 weeks. Side effects of cinnamon have been reported when the species Cinnamomum cassia is ingested in large quantities, as it contains coumarins, an organic compound that can cause allergies and skin irritation, hypoglycemia, and liver damage in people who have serious liver diseases. Cinnamon should not be consumed by women who are pregnant or breastfeeding, as it stimulates uterine contractions and is considered an abortifacient. This spice is also contraindicated for people with ulcers or serious liver diseases. In the case of babies and children, it is crucial to be careful when using cinnamon, especially if there is a family history of allergies, asthma, or eczema. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.